Nagaland police kanbra war against drugs declare kurigina ide Nagaland de substance abuse jula khan ke pura eradicate kurule nimide pura koshish kurina ase other side khan do police kanbra ina tahan efforts digina kwanishna substance jula khan eradicate kurle koshish kora samay amigan ekta other side saishugule do public kanbra substance abuse kor do bishi huigina jaise ide ekilo de miligina kam kurile hi Nagaland sapa hoigina jabo substance abuse jula khan laga pore na nishna ekta late khobor da amigan source pa jane bole diche that June 10 de sovi malaga delivery station ekta de duijon manubra 25 cartons se 3000 cough syrup codeine paste illegally yede Kalipari road Dimapur de takan transport kuri thaka khobor hunigina suburban police station de police personals kan ba intercept kurigina Idu chundu 3000 cough syrup bottles ase itu bi dhuri lisha rinaga guna chundu involved thagishe duijun manuge already arrest kurina ite samai taijun do police station de police remand de asuguna amikan khobor paise yede amikan saigina jishlu do age dibi kwa nishna police kan babi bishi koshish kurina sa jikla noigina colony kan de judi youth kan ba naga substance julai thagishigulo do even the council chairman kan hubi aro students union kan hubi nilwi civil society organizations kan babi substance abuse kura khan laga opor de bishi charcha kurigina aise du hatawole nimide especially colony khan de na thagishigulo do ta nearest police station khan dibi jagena khobor digina tahan ke bi giraftar kurina e but idi balba saigina jeshilo do manu khan tahan laga personal gain nimide tahan la kau bia hwa do najani gina tahan ena cholai gina joisa aro chundu do cough syrup ase do codeine paste do until and unless doctor laga prescription na thagi shugule do bigre kurule na pray guna bi ami sab manu jane but kwa nishna personal gain nimide manu khan tahan itu codeine paste cough syrup to bishi cholai gina jai but police khan babe they are doing their best, they are giving their best itu war against drugs itu declare kuna thaka nishna tahala kam pura kurina ase ami khan as a concerned civilized citizen ami khan be along with the council chairman who be aro civil society organization student union miligina substance jula khan do committee kurila ro Nagaland by the earliest eradicate kurina sapa kuna thagibole nimide ami khan hope kuri thega aro junto itu case laga upor de 3000 bottle cough syrup Thurigina ase duijun manu already police remand dia suksha me kan hope kuri thagibo that aro manu involved kan actually the police kan bachan bin kurigina accused kan ki book kurina at the earliest according to the law saza diule me kan hope kuri thagibo itagani mane for more news and updates keep watching Global Window. This is Chanbini with my video journalist Marin Khapa reporting from Suburban Police Station Dimapur.